we're just working on this job. It's a very large oak library. I thought you might like to see how we're putting it together. So Brady's doing the mid unit there that's going to have a radiator behind it. He's just got that carcass made, and then he'll be working on the frame that's going to have a Belection moulding and then some brass grill inside it. Ishmael's out here doing the staining. Oh, it's gone, but here we go. This is where we finish stuff. So we've got all this very dark stain, walnut stain, and we've had to cover over a lot of the surfaces that we're usually using for white spray paint to make sure it doesn't contaminate it. So that's been a bit of a challenge. Now let me just leave this here and start walking around with it, because I want to show you how this is going together. This is one of the units with doors on. We've got solid oak doors which are properly jointed together, and all the frame bits are going on loose. We just find that's working better for this job than the fixed face frame, because we don't want to butt this up to another face frame. We want to have individual strips. You can't really see, I don't know why I'm showing you this. Individual strips between the doors rather than doubled up. So we're relying a lot on the Domino, so everything is just slotted on accurately, and the Dominoes keep that position, because these of course we now want to stain up, and I'd rather stain them individually than stain the whole thing as an assembly, because I'll get a better result staining them individually. We've got veneered MDF with solid lips on, which again we've dominoed, and where they're out of sight we've used pocket holes as a clamping method until the domino's set with the glue. And we've gone with plumb hinges on these, inset style, and it's the Onyx Black, which we've not used before, but that's a fairly new range which goes well with the dark finish. This of course will end up stained walnut. Another thing we've not done before is with these shelf pin holes we've used brass inserts. It's a lot classier than the usual 5mm drill holes that we use, and they just take these chunkier supports. Any questions or comments? Let us know. Thanks for watching.